Well, my Sunday challenge. I did have this completely shoveled down to the feeders, but the wind coming off the bay has completely drifted this over. And since we're supposed to get 5 to 10 inches of snow in a couple days, I'm just going to try to wade down there. The siskins and pine and the redpolls are waiting. And some juncos. Here we go. Mainly pine siskins and redpolls. This is just using a iPhone 13 Max. Haven't fed them yet. These little winter finches are so tame. Almost get them to land on the phone. Well, I fell once on the way down, but I didn't lose any of the feed. I'm going to have to scare these birds in a minute. Aren't they cute? Look at that. Hey guys. Hi. I got one that landed on my phone. You're just so darling. Look at that. Hey guys. Alrighty. I'm gonna close her up. Well, we got them all filled. Put some corn down, mainly for the crows. Actually, I got this area here, it's fenced in. I have some deer that come up in another area, and I have some more feeders in the front. But, so everybody's fed. Now I gotta trudge back. No other people in the hole for quite a while, quite a ways.